Change your life for the better with the power of habits. When you make a commitment to break your bad habits and form new empowering ones, you will provide much-needed clarity in your life. Most people find that they chase around all day, doing a lot of things that are not really that important. Their schedules become easily cluttered as they just add things to it without giving it a lot of thought. Does this sound like you? So we recommend that you use habits as a powerful way to do the things that are really important to you in life. Obviously, you still have to do those things that you need to do, at least for a while anyway. But with old bad habits eliminated and new empowering habits formed, you will have more time and energy to do what you really want. Take a look at your priorities. In order to form the new empowering habits to change your life, the first step is to take a close look at your priorities. If you are unsure how to do this, then begin by defining what your personal values are. Once you have established what these are, you will find it much easier to determine your life priorities. What kind of personal values should you have? Well, here are some recommendations that you should adopt. Be committed to goals. The best way to achieve the things that you really want in life is to be a goal-oriented person. This means that you will continually challenge yourself by setting and achieving both short-term and long-term goals. When you set your goals, you will be able to work out what new behaviors you require and the actions you need to perform to achieve these goals. This will ensure that you focus on the right new habits to form and help to identify existing habits that need to go, as they will prevent you from goal achievement. Be an action taker. Another excellent personal value is to be an action taker. Rather than waste your time on meaningless activities, you focus your actions on the achievement of your goals. We all only have so much time every day, so be sure to put this to good use by taking the right action. If you have a habit of coming home from work and turning on the TV, then you need to eradicate this. The same goes for spending hours on social media. You need to keep taking action regularly and not let procrastination prevent you from getting what you want. Be a people person. People are a very important part of your life. They will provide you with the support that you will need to make the necessary habit transitions so that you can achieve your goals. So, you want to surround yourself with the right people who will provide support to you. This doesn't mean that it is all about you. You need to have a presence in the lives of people that mean the most to you. Being compassionate, understanding, patient, and giving are fine personal qualities to have. Discipline and organization. You need discipline to keep going in the pursuit of all your goals. There will be tough times where you will need all of the motivation you can muster to overcome obstacles and keep on the right path. Temptations are all around us these days, so discipline is essential for your success. Organization is very important too. If your life is full of clutter, then you need to sort this out. Get yourself organized in all aspects of your life, which includes the storing of important documents and other physical things in your home and office, as well as a well-organized computer so that you know where everything is. In the next video, we will discuss the importance of a plan for your habit transition.